What's up, everybody? Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Quick video here. Just got a notice in my email, debt portfolio that was purchased, and this is like breaking news because this is something that you need to be alerted of if you happen to be with uh, one of these companies. On a previous video, we had a batch of debt, and you can see I put a little image here showing that batch of debt that was 8/13/2020, that mix number two. That batch of debt is over $12 million, 9,630 accounts, and charge-off date was 8/24/08. So majority of this debt is past statute of limitations, except for the one state. Average balance $1,273.50. We all know that this debt cannot be legally collected in most states. And if you get a demand letter from this group, over 9,000 people are going to get a demand letter, and some of them are not going to know their rights, and they're going to end up paying on this. And if you pay one penny to that debt, you're going to reset it. So if it's past the legal statute of limitations to collect, if you pay one penny to it, you start the clock over. So don't do it. That's why I'm making this video, to make everyone aware, because I'm pretty sure the letters from them are going to be going out next week. Another group here, that bottom one, 10, well, it says 2020.10.27. From my notes, that's over $32.4 million in credit card debt, 38,181 accounts. Charge-off date 2008 to 2015. So some of this is potentially within statute of limitations for some states. For my state of Wisconsin, it's past legal statute of limitations to collect. Average balance is $1,341.08. So let's take it from the top on what you do. They are going to send that demand letter to you. When you get that demand letter, you go and you look at the statute of limitations to collect debt for your state. If you moved to another state, but you knew that debt came from when you lived in another state, check both of them and see which one benefits you the best. Let them make a decision on if they're going to go with what you claim as your state of residence, if it's now in your new state, or if it was the state that you originally got the loan from, a loan in. And then you can go to my website, thecreditrepairshop.com, go to my blog, type in statute of limitations or statute, and it'll bring up a page, and you can go to it to see the statute of limitations for every state. These are credit card debts, so it's going to be the fourth column, open in. So that's usually a shorter statute of limitation than it is for regular debt, like a auto repo or a loan, personal loan that you took from a bank or somewhere. These are open-end accounts. If it's past the statute of limitations, then you need to immediately use the letter that I provide to you, and you can go below this video is a link, and you should make a donation when you do that, because this letter will save you thousands of dollars. Get the letter, cease collection activities for a debt that's past the statute of limitations. Don't get mixed up. I have two letters there. Get the one that has the combo, the cease and desist and the debt validation letter. And so if it's past the legal statute of limitations to collect, and they have not gotten a judgment on that debt, which they shouldn't have, then you use that letter, and it will stop them in their tracks, and they will usually send you a letter apologizing. If it's not past the statute of limitations, use letter number 2, the debt validation letter, or even before that. Let's do this, because I have 3 letters for you. If it's not past the statute of limitations, use my cease and desist demand letter to stop collecting the debt. This is not one that's past statute of limitations. This is just so you can put them on notice that if you try to come after me for this money, it's going to be a battle. And you need to look at all of this information that I'm going to request from you. And if you don't have it, you need to stop coming after me for this money. So use that letter first. And if they respond back saying that they're going to go after you, then you use the debt validation letter. And I have all three of those there below this video. So if you have any questions or comments, please post below this video. I'll get to answering some questions in the here on YouTube. And I just want to make this quick, short video to notify you of this portfolio of debt that has been sold. Combined together, it's over $44 million in outstanding bad debt that a third party debt collector is purchasing. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Please watch the video, What Makes Us Different. If you can follow that process, we would invite you to become a customer. If you don't have your credit reports, you need to get them. Go to the website, your3scores.com, because there's some very important information that will be in the comments section of the charge off. Because when you're looking at if they can legally collect, it doesn't matter when they sent you the demand letter. What matters is the original charge off date with the original creditor, and you can get that with the monitoring service that I provide. So go to the number 3scores.com to get that. And if you have any questions, post them below. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And thank you. And until next time, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.